In this tutorial, we'll learn the surface patching tools. So basically, if we have, let's say, open-ended surfaces, in this tutorial, what we learn is how to close them. For this, we have different options like the planar surface, the fill surface, or the boundary surface. We'll be learning all these three tools in this tutorial. So first thing first, let's learn the planar surface first, which is the easiest of them all. Select the planar surface. Now, all you need to do is select the boundaries which are on the same plane. Use the edges and it will create the boundary surface for you. Once done, click OK, and as you can see, it has patched that boundary. Okay, so we have another open-ended part. For this one, let's use the filled surface option. Select the filled surface option. You have the option called the patch boundary. Okay, similar to the planar surface, you can select the edges or as you like, and as you can see, it has created the surface. Now one good thing about this is even if the surfaces are not on the same plane, it will create a fill surface if you select a closed loop edge in this case. Once done, click OK, and it has created a boundary surface. Depending on what you're working on, you'll be using a different tool as needed. Boundary surface is almost similar to fill surface, but they have a little difference. So let's say for creating the boundary surface, let's delete one of the faces. So delete face. Let's delete this one. Select the delete option and click OK. Now we have this one open one. So the boundary surface in this case you can select similar to the previous one options, the edges, but now you have something which is called these boundary points. Depending on how you're selecting these boundaries, the border that will be created will be different. So as you see right now, I have selected it is haphazard, but if I've selected the largest one first, which is this one, then selected this one, as you can see, it has already selected all the points from based on those and closed the loop. We can also modify the surface expansion or select only a portion of it. So as you can see, these pink points here, you can just drag it to select only a portion of it. Let's say we want to only create surface till this point here. Okay, so everything will be as is closed, and as you can see, this is not on the same plane, so it doesn't matter, it will go along the edges, and once you're done, click OK. It has only created the surface for that upper portion. Other than that, it is still open and empty.